How to get backup code for two-step verification on Roblox. Let's get started. Start by heading over to your application Roblox. Enter your login credential and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you have been logged in, head over to More at the bottom right corner of the screen. In this page, scroll all the way down and move into Settings. Inside Settings, head over to Security. In this page, first of all, you have to enable two-step verification. Different methods will be available: Authenticator app, email address, and also hardware security keys. You simply have to enable hardware security keys. First of all, you need to verify with the help of your email address or phone number. Once the hardware security key is enabled, now every time you log into your account, you will need to enter the hardware security keys that will be provided to you, and then you'll be good to go. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.